Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're reviewing an incredibly powerful and versatile cleaning tool, the Mershgaya Compressed Air Duster. If you're tired of wasting money on disposable air cans, this electric blower might be the perfect solution. Let's dive into its features and see if it's worth your investment. This air duster boasts a super high-speed motor of 300,000 RPM, delivering an impressive 200 G wind pressure with a peak speed of over 120 meters per second. That means it can easily remove dust from keyboards, PCs, and other delicate electronics. Unlike traditional air cans, this one is rechargeable, reusable, and eco-friendly, thanks to its 10,000 mAh battery with USB Type-C charging. No more constant refills, just charge and go. One of its standout features is its multi-use capability. It's not just for electronics. It works as a leaf blower, car detailing tool, snow blower, and even an air pump for inflatables. Whether you need to clean a dusty camera lens or dry your car after a wash, this tool has you covered. Another upgrade is its new sliding mode functional design. Unlike traditional 3-gear modes, this model offers both button mode and sliding mode, allowing users to easily adjust the airflow. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and effortless to use anywhere, anytime. If portability is a concern, this duster is incredibly compact, only 1.35 inches thick and 5.9 inches long, weighing just 0.5 pounds. It fits right in your pocket, making it a great companion for professionals, travelers, and tech enthusiasts. Overall, the Mershgaya Compressed Air Duster is a game-changer for anyone looking for a powerful, eco-friendly, and reusable alternative to canned air. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning routine, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more great tech reviews. See you in the next video.